Hi, it's Emma from Enchanted Soul. Welcome to your guided meditation for anxiety. Begin your meditation today by finding a comfortable position. Gently closing your eyes and simply begin to witness your breath. Focus on your in and out breath, going deep into your belly, and noticing how calm and comfortable you are feeling. Let your thoughts come in and just let them go. You are safe. Do not worry about anything. Your only task is to breathe and listen. Listen and breathe. Focus on your breath as you breathe in and your stomach rises. And as you exhale, feel your stomach fall, deep and relaxed. Continue to watch your breath as you inhale fresh, pure air and release all tension as you breathe out. Feel your body relaxing deeper and deeper. Allow your thoughts to just slow down. Your limbs becoming limp and your mind becoming calm. I'm going to lead you into a visualization now. All you have to do is use your imagination as you listen and breathe. Breathe and listen and imagine. I want you to imagine a screen in your mind, to visualize yourself at a wonderful place. A place where there is only calm and inner peace. It could be some place that you have been before, or else go ahead and create one in your mind. It can be a fantasy place or a real place. Just visualize it and imagine it. All the time breathing and listening. Listening and breathing. Allowing that breath deep into your belly, and let your stomach rise up with your in-breath and fall as you release your out-breath. Picture yourself in your happy place. A warm and comforting setting that makes you smile. Yes, go ahead and just smile. You can even surround yourself with things and activities that you find extremely enjoyable without any stress at all. Take a few moments and create this scene in your mind. Now visualize that place and see it very clear in your mind. It's a wonderful place, isn't it? Now, while you're in your comfortable place right now, I would like you to take a deep breath, and as you exhale, allow yourself to feel twice as comfortable and wonderful as you do right now. And take your second deep breath. And as you exhale, allow yourself to relax even more. And on the third deep breath, as you exhale, allow yourself to feel wonderful. Realizing that you are in a place where nothing affects you, where there is no anxiety, where you are completely safe. Now commit this place to your memory, every little detail, because in the future, anytime you find yourself confronted by what used to be an anxiety-provoking situation or any kind of challenge whatsoever, all you need to do is take your 3 deep breaths and allow yourself to remember and smile, and come back to this wonderful, anxiety-free, stress-free place that you have created for yourself. Keep breathing and listening. Listening and breathing. Let's go ahead and practice getting into your safe place right now to ensure we get those amazing feelings of joy and inner peace. Right now, I would like you to think of something or a situation that may have caused you a small amount of anxiety in the past. Go ahead and just think about it. Now, take a deep and happy breath in, and just let the negativity flow away. Really breathe it out hard. And take your second deep breath as you think of your special place. And take your third deep breath. Relax completely and imagine returning to your special place. Breathe deeply. Imagine feeling safe and secure in your special place. Feeling calm and relaxed. Enjoy your safe place. Much better and much more relaxed and calm. It feels great, doesn't it? Now, holding on to that feeling of inner joy and peace. Still listening and breathing. Breathing and listening. And in your own time, when you are ready, you can end this guided meditation for anxiety by simply opening your eyes. Smile, stay with your breath, and bring this inner relaxation into your day, feeling free of anxiety and stress. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation, and I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.